Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Let me share my screen. It's amazing these days, gold giving amazing pips. Let's start with the Forex structure, what's happening in the news. Right, we have bank holiday in Chinese yen, and we have Euro, by German bank holiday. Apart from that, no other economies have a bank holiday. Right. Looking at the Forex factory, as you can see that we have 4:30 a.m. AUD and CHF 7:30 a.m. and we got 3 p.m. USD. All these are UK times. And please remember that if AUD goes up, then gold goes up as well. Uh, so this is important news in terms of gold as well as AUD USD as well, and all the AUD pairs, of course. And 3 p.m. we have USD. The rest the day we have some medium impact news as well, and low impact, no medium impact, sorry, and all of them are low impact apart from these news. Right, so that's it for the Forex factory, and let's go on to gold charts. See what's happening. Gold giving amazing every day, amazing movements. Currently on monthly, broke the monthly at this level, and now it's hopefully it will break this as well in monthly. Weekly is trying to reach this level. And hopefully it will. And daily, as you can see that already crossed this level here, and now broke this level, and expecting 918. We've got this level 1812, around 1813, whatever you call it, 1805, and so on. So if you go the lowest one, that would be 1808, 1905. So that is the story for gold. Now, if you want to know the levels, I got these levels for you. If you want to pause this video and you can make sure you can note these levels. The levels are very important. I will also make how to trade on levels, especially for the premium members. So if you join, then you are most welcome, and you'll get more information on how to trade on levels. But now, as you can see that we're expecting 1819 level and 1815 level, according to this level, these levels, and 1814 and then 1805. So there might be some pips difference in different levels. So this is another level, as you can see. You can draw here a line as well. Okay. But most likely this will be broken in 4 hours. That's a. Let me see. See, in daily, this is another level here. So let me. Our daily color is yellow. So it's a yellow color. And also we can draw another level in daily here. Red is monthly, don't forget that. And if you go into 4 hour, see this 4 hour level here as well. The 4 hour color is blue. We change this into blue color. So the higher the level, higher the color, higher the time frame, stronger the level. So this is the situation, and USDX, which is Dixie, is going to the moon. As you can see, expected to have, and after that, once this is broken, all the way to the top side. Eventually, I will expect these levels. But let's see how it goes. So if you know how to trade on levels, which I normally tell in my videos as well, but however, if you want to know more, you have to join the premium channel, and you will know more about the levels. Instead of watching all the videos, you don't have to watch them. Only one video, and you will know. You don't have to watch all the videos. Right. So this is the Dixie. Okay. So I leave it to it, and that's it. Have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.